Hello, welcome to Anita the Pedagogue channel. Today, we continue with our poetry analysis. The poem we are going to discuss today is The Instant of My Death. And today, we are going to focus on the structure and form of the poem. The Instant of My Death by Sarah Jackson. The bus was cramped and the fat man rubbed against my leg like a damn cat while you read the Jakarta Tales 3 rows from the back. And we all stumbled on wheels and I was grinding, tripping as Spiti rose up around us, sky propped open by its peaks. I traced the rock line on the window with my finger, counted cows and gumpers, felt my eyes glaze over until we reached Gramfu. There, where the road divided, I saw a thin boy in red flannel squat between 2 dabbers. A black-eyed being slipped in between 2 cracks. He was so small that I almost missed him until he turned, gap-toothed, and shot me with a toy gun. And a piece of me stopped then, though the bus moved on, and the fat man cracked open an apple with his thumb. Very interesting poem by Sarah Jackson. Let's look at its structure. It is a 6-stanza poem. It has 2 lines, so each stanza is in a couplet. This poem can be described as a free verse poem as it has no regular pattern and doesn't have any rhyme scheme. And from the reading, you would realize that this poem is set in Spiti, northern India, where the Himalayan mountains press up against the Tibetan plateau. This poem is narrated in the first-person narrative and it is also in the past tense. Another significant thing is that this poem begins with a casual and an observational tone, observing and making complaints. It shifts to a more serious and reflective tone, especially with the encounter with the boy in red flannel clothes who used the toy gun to shoot the speaker. This poem is also written in enjambment, demonstrating that this poem is like a journey, so the ideas flow from one line to the other. Let's move on to the title. The Instant of My Death, as the title suggests, informs the reader of the poem's themes on mortality and the relevance of life, or discovering life as a journey. Kindly click the link below for a complete discussion of the language and style, that is the literary devices that have been used in this poem. Until I come your way again, keep learning and be the best version of yourself. And don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more content like this.